Most so-called AI gurus are misleading you. They push the idea that you need to post hundreds of shorts and simply hope for the best. But what if you could do the opposite? Instead of chasing trends and burning out, I built a single automated system that generated $5,000 in its first month without ever showing my face. This approach flips the script on traditional advice, focusing on efficiency and smart automation. Today, I'm sharing the entire workflow for free so you can see exactly how this system works and why it's so effective. Let's break down the real strategy behind making money with AI, starting with the core problem most creators face. Issue with most make money with AI videos is that they're painfully generic. Everyone's recycling the same advice and it's just not enough to stand out in 2026. To truly win, you need personality, but not necessarily the person. This is where AI agents come into play. These agents inject unique character and style into your content, making it memorable and engaging without requiring you to be on camera. By leveraging AI agents, you can build a brand that resonates all while staying behind the scenes. Now let's dive into the workflow that makes this possible, step by step. Here's the exact workflow I use. First, I start with a specific Claude AI prompt designed to uncover low-competition, high-CPM topics. This ensures your content targets profitable niches that aren't oversaturated. Next, I feed these topics into my AI automation stack. You'll see quick clips of these tools in action, working seamlessly together to generate content and manage the process. This stack handles everything from ideation to publishing, making the entire operation hands-off. With this system, you can focus on scaling and optimizing rather than grinding out endless videos. Now let's look at the secret feature that takes this workflow to the next level. Secret sauce, Gemini's hidden feature. Most people overlook this, but Gemini can now generate consistent characters for storytelling. This is a game changer for building a brand, not just a channel. By creating recurring characters, your content becomes recognizable and relatable, fostering audience loyalty. This feature allows you to craft stories and narratives that stick, all powered by AI. It's the difference between being another faceless creator and establishing a memorable presence. With Gemini, you can automate not just the workflow but the brand identity itself. Let's wrap up with a challenge to put this into action. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to start one channel this weekend using the tools and workflow I've shown you. Don't wait for perfect conditions, just take action. The automated system is designed to make the process simple and scalable even if you've never shown your face online. If you hit any roadblocks, remember you're not alone. Use the resources and features discussed and you'll be well on your way to building your own AI-powered brand. This is your opportunity to break free from generic advice and create something truly unique. Let's see what you can build with AI. Real talk. I started this channel because AI shouldn't be locked behind a $500 paywall. That free tool you just saw, someone out there will use it to start a business, or make their first short film, or finally tell their story. That someone could be you. So if this video helped you save money or learn something new, then share this video with one creator who's wasting money on paid tools. You might save them $500 this year. Subscribe not for me, or the next person who needs to find this video. Thank you, seriously. Every like, comment, and share tells YouTube that free tools matter more than expensive subscriptions. Now go build something that scares you. I'll see you in the next loophole. Keep exploring.